Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you the new Go High Level brand board. So what this is going to do is help you a lot when it comes to saving time while building funnels and websites inside of Go High Level. And I believe it also does apply to the email builder, so it's going to be pretty cool. If you've used the Go High Level extensively as far as building funnels or building websites, I mentioned, I'm sure you have. It is very annoying that you have to go page by page, adding in the colors, right? A pro builder can probably maybe do some, cloning of pages, right? To just kind of copy on, some of the settings from a previous page. But this is going to help you build a lot quicker, nonetheless. So the first thing you need to do is go to marketing, and this is under any sub account. And again, it's going to show up as brand. It's new up here. Click on brand boards and you'll be taken to this page. So that's how we get there. So the next thing is you're going to click on new, and then it's going to give you some options. If you want to just kind of start with one of these, I'm sure this library is probably going to grow as time goes on. But for now, I'm going to start from blank. So we're starting from scratch. Okay, and the first thing that we need to do is upload our logos. As you can see, it's asking for a couple of variations, right? So we have this horizontal layout and then this sort of like vertical layout. So I'm going to start with this. I already have the logos uploaded. One thing that I've noticed, and that, if anybody from the Go High Level team is watching, is when I click this, nothing happens. Doesn't take me anywhere. So I have to click on this on the left. And as you can see, that's the horizontal one. So we'll click that little pen and just go ahead and grab this logo. So this is just a little quick mock-up I did inside of Canva. So please don't make fun of me. So let's go ahead and pick the second one, which would be this vertical one. Click the pen, and then we'll click that, right? So now we have our logos, and just make sure you save as you go along. I had to restart the recording because I lost everything and it was already a few minutes in. I just didn't want to bother with too much editing. So we have the logos up. Now the next thing is the colors. Now, same thing here. When you click on these, nothing happens. Okay. I don't know if it's my browser. I don't have an ad blocker, but maybe again, if the team is watching, just letting you know, that would be cool if we could just click on these and it would just take us. I'm sure that's where they're going with it. So let's click on colors here on this left tab, second tab, and yeah, let's change this first color to something more like this blue. So I do have a color picker here, and this is there's a thousand of these on the Chrome store. Again, I'm using Brave, but it's the same browser pretty much. So I'm just gonna pick this color here, okay, and then I'm gonna click this little box. I click the box. Let's paste that color in. That's the hex code for that, okay? And then we're gonna add another color, which is gonna be this, it's not black, it's kind of like a really dark purple. So same thing, I'll go to my color picker, pick this color, okay? And then let's click that, and then let's paste it in. Okay, I was right, it is like a really dark purple. Okay, now let's click away. As you can see, it's there as well. Now let's just change the names as well. Make sure that we know what this is. I'll just call this like a navy blue or something like that. Okay, so we'll save again. Okay, save successfully. Go to typography. And I'm just going to use for font 1 League Spartan. This is just a font that I found that kind of goes well with this whole insurance theme. And then let's add a second font, and the second font is going to be Vietnam Pro. Okay, and obviously you can use whatever you want. You can keep adding fonts here, but again, I'm just going with the whole 2 font thing and a couple of colors. They're pretty simple. So hit Save Board. Okay, I'll just keep the name as Brand Board 1 for now. That's fine. But you can click up here and change the names, just so you know. So we'll click back. And as you can see, it is automatically set by default because it's the only brand board. I think that's why it automatically does that. But you can add more boards, right? So if you happen to have different funnels or different websites that you're managing under one sub account, obviously you can keep just adding different ones, different logos with different colors or only colors. It's up to you. So the next thing we need to do is if we go into the builder now, you're not going to find uh, that the setting is available inside the builder. Yeah, I had to go into the help menu to figure this out because the feature, though it is out, it is still in beta in a way. Okay, so go to settings and then go all the way down to labs. Again, I'm in the sub account level. And then from labs, you're going to go all the way down and look for color picker. Okay, color picker or new color picker for funnels and websites. So make sure you enable this, right? If it's not enabled, it is coming out in 15 days. So, that should be yeah, September 16th. It should be live. So by the making of this video, you probably don't have to do this. So you can go ahead and go start building. So now what I'm going to show you is how to use it inside the funnel builder. So I'll just go and find a quick little funnel here to edit. I'll just go into this insurance one. We'll just pick this random little funnel, lead gen funnel that I have going. Okay, and after it's done loading, now you can see I already used it here one time. Let's say I wanted to change the text here, just the colors. I can select it, click this little square here. So probably hopefully that's coming through in the video. Click there, and I can change it to this darker color. Or I can click on default colors, go to custom colors, and then we have some other ones here from the funnel as well. So let's say I wanted to use this one, for example, and let's go ahead and change. Now, if let's say I wanted to change the logo, let's see what this looks like now. So I can click up there, and I believe it's still going to show me the sort of the old way. Yeah, so it's if you go to brand boards, you see it creates a folder. So I think that's just the way that Go High Level is handling it right now. But as you can see, it'll show up with the logo I just uploaded to that brand board. So it creates a folder, and I'm uploading the logos to that folder in the brand board builder, right? Okay, but that is the logo there, and obviously from here on, I don't have to show you more. I'm sure you can resize it and all that. Let's just go ahead and do that in the video just for sake. And then obviously let's just save. But as you can see, it is showing up here. This is the brand boards at work. This previously used to look like a circle. So if it still looks like if it's still a circle on your end, uh, then you probably didn't enable the labs option. So go back to labs, make sure it's checked on. If it's not, then probably need to contact support, see what's going on there. Okay. But yeah, that is basically it. So that is brand board. So hopefully this video did help you. If you don't have Go High Level yet, I will drop my affiliate link in the description below. Eventually, we'll go ahead and create more videos. This is an older channel. I just want to revive it. So stick around. You just go ahead and subscribe. If hopefully this was helpful for you, and be on the lookout for more videos and hopefully eventually a website as well. Thank you and have a good night.